Ciao Tesla people, I just got a software notification for an update for software update 2023.12.11. So I'm recording on my phone. It will take a while because I started without Wi-Fi, but just with the LTE connection, so a cellular connection. So it will take a bit. I'm not sure if we can switch on the fly, but I don't think so. We'll see. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, I'm making some progress. Probably it's around 30%, maybe something like that. It says updating autopilot, driver assistance dashcam disabled, do not drive until complete, as usual. I want to check how long it will take this one, but I started the update without connecting to Wi-Fi, so it will take much longer, my guess. We'll see. I'll get back to you in a bit. Quick update. Looks like we are around 60-70%, so it should be done soon. So the message says updating electronic control unit, driving and charging disabled, do not drive until complete. So should be done soon. Okay. No information on the screen, so should be very close to the end, the update. We'll see. It's about 20 minutes, so it should be over soon. The funny part is that during update you hear different system shutting off or coming on, like air conditioning, probably heat pump, something in the back which I'm not sure what is it. Probably charging, something to do with charging, I'm not sure. Or maybe they're just locks and stuff. It's interesting. Most likely are like checks, system checks, that kind of stuff during installation. Okay, let me get back as soon as there are some information. Okay, we're getting there, probably around 80% or something like that. Now it says finishing update, driving disabled, do not drive until complete. Okay, so it's about 30 minutes. Kind of annoying. Okay, I'll get back when there's some more info. Okay, looks like it's done. Okay, so user interface improvements. It says refresh your data sharing settings. Okay, user interface improvements. Enable, disable data sharing, learn more about, go control software data sharing. Okay, whatever. Okay, I want to see software. Go back down here. So 23.12.11. Navigation data is 1240. Okay. Release notes. That's it. So it doesn't say much. It just says to refresh the data sharing, control software data sharing for more information, whatever. Controls, Okay. Center mode is on. So it didn't say any much about the yeah. So not much information. I have to check it out. Maybe online there are some more information about this software update. It took around half an hour like last time. Oh, okay. Right now it's connected to Wi-Fi. Maybe it did switch to Wi-Fi because I turned on I shared the Wi-Fi on my cell phone. So that's it. There are not much information. I'll get some information online. Maybe I'll do another video if they're interesting. There should be some improvement in the user interface, but I don't see any charging, whatever. Autopilot. Not much here. Doesn't look like. Looks the same. This looks the same. Trips. Yeah, okay. Navigation. Okay. Safety. Park assist, whatever. Service. Looks the same. Software. Okay. Release notes. Okay. Oh, okay. Data sharing. Allow autopilot analytics improvement, include status. Yeah, so data sharing I accept all. We participate to the improvements of Tesla software. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to stop the recording here, and sentry mode is on. Okay, whatever. Let me turn it off because right now I don't need it. So that's it. That was the update. Release notes, not much information. And that's it. I'm going to leave the Tesla referral link in the description, so you can order a Tesla from there, and we get points so you can use the points to buy a Tesla or Tesla products, and maybe even for superchargers. Also, I have all the links about the accessories that I installed on the Tesla, and I will have more accessory coming in the following weeks. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.